Good day, guys. Today, let's quickly go over this exercise 35. And when you are looking at this image, although the dimension are scattered all over, but we are going to start from this image. So you can see that from here, from this edge to this edge, is labeled 70 mm, and at the top here we have a 10 here by 25, also 10 by 25 here. So let's quickly go over that. I could love my feature manager design tree for me to have a lot of busy. So let's go to sketch, lines, font name. Let's give the dimension now. We have 70, which is here. 70. And we have the total here to be 40. We have here to be 10. Likewise here also to be 10. We have from here to here to be 20. Here 20. So the space between these two is 20. Okay, let's go and extrude. And the extrusion is this part we just modeled. The extrusion is 20. You can see it from here. This is the top view. The extrusion is 20. And features, extrude boss base. Let me bring this back. I'll be using mid plane 20. Just come this back again. Go back to sketch. Now I want to make this two bump, this yellow part. So we have the yellow part to be a square of 10 by 10 meter, distance of 5 mm from the bottom, and the extrusion to be 10. So I'm going to choose line. Now let me just use rectangle. This edge. Make all sides equal. Double click. Make equal. Rectangle of 10 by 10. So also 10 by 10. we are given the distance from the bottom to this edge is 5. So from here to here is given as 5. Likewise, this from here to here is given to be 5. Now, what is the distance between them? The distance between them is 30. So from here to here is 30. But if you look at it, it's not aligned. So from here you can see the radius from this edge to this edge is 10, meaning from here to here is 10. Everything is now balanced, and the extrusion from here is given to be 10 mm. I'm going to extrude. So let me bring back this. We're using blind. And reduce this to 10. Okay. Again, we are given this bar here to be diameter of 10 mm. And the distance from this end to the center point of the circle is 10. So this is what we're going to do. Sketch, circle, choose this face to make it normal. But since I can't see it well, let me use wireframe. This. Okay, let's continue. Sketch, small dimension, I have a diameter of 5 mm. 5 mm, and the distance from the center of the circle down is 10 mm. That is from here to here is 10 mm. If I have to measure from here to here, also this line here is 10 mm, which is correct. That is not the dimension given. So let's go to features, extrude. The extrusion line, that should be 30. So we're extruding by 30 mm. Enter. So we are done with one side. Okay. Now since we are having the same features on this side and also on the other side, we are going to mirror. We're going to choose a plane which runs directly through the center, which is the front plane. We're going to select it go to features, mirror. Now you can see mirror face or plane. We have our front plane selected. Then this secondary mirror face, you don't need it. Now come to features to mirror. Select the boss, select this and this. And hit OK button. So we have it on the other side also. Now the last step is this other circular bar at the top. If you look at it, it has a diameter of 10 mm. Distance from the top to the center is 10 mm. So let's quickly do that now. Circle, choose plane, go to sketch, small dimension, 10 mm. Enter. So this point is 10. So the dimension given. Now go back to features and extrude. This time around the extrusion will be 50. Allow 50 mm to extrude. Use it at the top. Let me bring back my design tree. 50. I can collapse it back again. F key, so you can see it. Now hit enter button. Okay. Now we have one final step, which is this small rectangular part or square part at the two edge, which is given to be 10 mm by 10 mm directly at the center. 10 mm by 10 mm, and the distance from the bottom is 5 mm. So let's do that. Rectangle, this edge, let's make sure it aligns with the origin so that it will be at the center. Your rectangle may not be selected like this depending on the setting. So if it happens that it does not select like this and you want to make the first side equal, you have to select the line one by one by pressing down your control key and selecting them. But since mine can be highlighted all at once, I'm going to select it, right click and make equal. So sketch, smart dimension, 10 mm, and the distance from the bottom is 5. So let's go to features now and extrude. Bringing back my feature design tree. I have this to be extrusion to be 10 mm. Let's rotate and see. See that. Okay. So now let's repeat the process of mirroring. This time around, since we want to mirror from this edge to this edge, we are going to look for a plane that runs directly through the center here. Bringing this back. Let's experiment. Front plane, no. Top, no. Right plane pass through directly at the center, so you select it, go to features, mirror, right plane is selected, features to mirror, select this, and let's hide this and see. Okay, you can see the preview. You can see the preview here. Hit enter button and we are good to go. So this, I've been able to successfully draw this. Then for the mask property, although the material to be used was not specified, if the material to use was specified, you just edit the material from here. But since the material is not specified, let's just evaluate and see the mask property. This is mass property, and from here you can see it has no density, 0.00 gram per cubic millimeter, but the mass we have 47.11 grams. That is the total mass. But let's assume that we are given a specific material to use. Right click, edit material, and let's use stainless steel for example, and apply it. Hit enter. This stainless steel now. Let's evaluate and check the mass again. The mass property, this time around the mass swelled to 367.42 grams. So it depends on the material you are using that will determine your mass, and also how you sketch all other little information about it. Thank you again for watching. Share and subscribe.